Hi there, students. To dote, normally intransitive like that, or to dote on someone. Okay, if you dote on someone, you love them completely. You believe they're absolutely perfect. So, I don't know, you've got some parents and they are doting on their little child, on little Johnny, and little Johnny is absolutely perfect. Little Johnny is brilliant, yeah? And they spend their lives doting on little Johnny. Yeah. Okay. So to love someone so much, just too much that they can't do any wrong. You're just totally uncritical. They are not able to do anything wrong. Um, they doted on their grandchild, yeah? To be uncritically fond of, extremely fond of, and without any criticism for them. Okay, so she doted on her two small children. Yeah, they if you dote on someone, you care about them and love them so much, and you ignore any faults they might have. Yeah, so the parents doted on their only child. Notice you could have an adjective, doting. Doting parents, yeah? Doting parents can be, well, bleh, yeah? Yeah, he's a very nice little kid, but he's not he's not God. He's not the be all and the end all in life, yeah? So just stop doting over him, yeah? Don't be such doting parents. We also actually have another word, um, dotage, yeah? Your dotage is when you get old, when your cognitive functions, your brain starts aging. Yeah, you go a little bit gaga. Yeah, senility. Yeah, and so in my dotage, I want to be weighted on hand and foot. Yeah, okay, so in my dotage, in somebody's dotage, when I'm old. You could also use this dotage to say incredibly fond of someone to an excessive degree. But notice the idea that, yeah, they're a little bit touched. There's a little bit insane, yeah, and that's the idea of dotage. So notice I did say to dote on, but you could also dote over someone, yeah, to be excessive, yeah, to be overly emotional and overly protective of. So I don't know, when I go to a five-star hotel, yeah, I think they really should dote over me. You know, they should care for my every need. Yeah, they should treat me like I'm the best thing since sliced bread. Yeah, I want them doting over me, even if I am in my dotage, in my old age. Okay, so to dote on someone, doting parents. I think I'm going to give this a 5 informality. Use it anyway. Use it informally, semi-formally, and very formally. And remember to dote on someone, to dote over someone, a doting a doting parent. And then as to origin, okay, in Middle English, doten, which actually comes from uh, Middle Dutch, doten, or Middle German, doten, to be foolish or to be silly. Notice as well, we've actually got this word, a dolt, yeah, an idiot, yeah, which really has the same origin as well. Okay, so to dote, yeah, to lose your mind and uh, see somebody as absolute perfection. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So, to dote on, to dote over, your dotage, a doting parent. Bye. Bye for now.